my singing angels? Today me and my sister will be making slime. These are our green shaving cream. They play this for that other shaving cream. We have two shaving cream. Yes, because of one of them ran out. Yeah. I can only use half a bottle because
I can use a full bottle because I got a big skin. You could probably use a full bottle.
I don't know if I can because it's too much. And I did wait. Yeah.
And then I already made slime. Today's go, yeah. And it's this is fluffy slime. I added in color, so I added blue and yellow to it. Yeah. Oops. See. Wait. Oh, let's say where did I put my blue? Where's my spoon?
It's right there. Are you blind?
Yes, I am. Can't see.
What happened here?
You're not legally blind. You can see that you're lost.
Kind of. I was like this, I cannot see, and I was like this, I cannot see.
Thunder Girl. She was like some sort of super goddess. Lieutenant Kanisha. So that
Okay,
version.
that's half a bottle.
Looks like we missed
That
something.
crazy.
Yeah. Loving this.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'll be adding in some other stuff. So, oh.
Looks like there's a new mysterious superhero in our midst. The question that everyone's asking, who is Thunder Girl?
Thunder Girl needs to be stopped. And I know just the man for the job. Her brother, Max.
Up here.
Why? Shit.
Why does a tiny little girl have a
Nothing in that.
hand?
No way.
I'm gonna run through your stuff, okay?
No, you could just.
Don't tell me you're about to make a new.
Okay,
water.
so I
I'm
added
gonna
some
put a
shaving
little
cream
bit.
in. I added some shaving
I
cream.
didn't too much water.
Add some shaving cream. And I'm mixing it with the glue.
That's it.
I think it's
Now I'm just gonna mix that up.
contact solution.
My sister is almost done.
Contact solution. And then you can see it's all set coming together. Oh, look, it's starting to come together, Chloe. You guys probably can't see it. Oh gosh, it almost ran out the plate. I'll show you guys in. It's done.
Oh
What happened? Oh gosh, it's been fell. Okay, it's sticky, so I have to use some more contact solution.
no! Oh my god, what is that happening? My hands are a mess.
Oh, there you go. I think I used a bit too much contact solution. Yeah, I used a little bit too much.
Like I barely, there's not that much shaving cream left. Okay, I don't it's not going back.
I know that there's one more in the bathroom. Oh my gosh.
No, there's one more in the bathroom.
You finished the other one?
Yeah, we finished it.
I don't know. Oh, look. When is going to come together? Don't finish the contact solution.
There's more.
Yeah, but no, the one has season.
Well, this is kind of confusing. But not really.
Oh, look. Look, look.
Yeah, I gotta go get. There's no more.
Should be back in a minute.
We're sharing it and then we go home. it. I think I can make it a little bit more.
If I make this yellow, this is going into my other slime.
I know.
I just want to lay on it.
Yeah, now my slime's cool too. I need a more complicated solution. But I don't really think it's gonna come to
Okay, I'm done with the spoon. Okay.
Guys, I don't think this is gonna turn out good for me. Cause
I think it's turning out good for me. Because there's not much shade I think.
and she kind of used over it.
Oh, look at that. It's coming together, Clay. I feel so weird just sitting on my feet before I get pins and needles. Oh my gosh. This is so much
Tell us to react.
Oh,
So where's the old slime?
the old slime. It's right there. That's mine, dude.
And where's your old slime?
over there.
Take the cover right away.
My computer desk is not a slime holder. And whose straw is that, Chloe?
Where?
Chloe.
What's up?
The straw that I used for your sign yesterday.
Sorry.
Why is it sticky? I can tell.
Cause my hands are sticky. Cause the spoon piece
Can
is
I try it?
The take is your aptitude test on the Yearly website. Eat it and prove to them that we have what it takes. Good idea. Is it a true false test? I'm bored of those. I don't think so. This is the test.
It's time to come together for look.
That was true.
There's no more shade we can tell you use all of it kind of.
How are you?
No, the rest of it kind of.
He's been crushing as a superhero, and all I've been doing for months is writing this chronicle, which we don't know is a diary for what.
Well, your penmanship has improved, and you talk more friendly about your feelings.
Darkman knows I'm going nowhere. It's like he abandoned me. Why isn't he calling? Darkman calling. Hello, Darkman.
How would you like to finally become a full-fledged superhero? Meet me at Billing Headquarters tomorrow. I'll set the coordinates.
Wait, tomorrow? Yeah, hanging out with Alice and me early next week?
How about early next week?
Tali, can you go let me know then?
Okay, I'll be there.
Hello.
Hold on, my hands are sticky.
Wait, do you have a chronicle too?
It's not a dream journal, and one of them just ain't true.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Oh gosh.
So I kept on adding more content institution.
Is that bad? Is it coming together?
Yeah, that's kind of. And then I'm gonna add in color soon.
Oh yeah, I'm done. I think I'm done adding
I gotta keep on adding color solution because there's no more shading cream, kind of. And I'm not adding color I can actually do it right now. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Oh, I got some more for there. Shaving cream is also in the middle. Shaving cream.
Oh, food. Go over me.
Yeah. Can we get some food?
other slime.
Okay, so now what he has much stick.
Okay, guys. I don't know how this is going to go. But I'm adding in lots of cuts of my solution because
That's my other slime.
good. I actually have to get me a napkin.
You joined the Thunder Girl fan club.
I actually have to get me a napkin.
Oh, I think I will for him. You had that up.
No.
Yes, she is.
We're gonna mix this first.
Thunder Girl, who she is, what she thinks.
See, I think the garbage truck is here.
She's outside.
Welcome to Happy Fun Burger. Can I take your order?
Will I get taco cheese? Extra pickle?
1 pickle per customer.
Well, what if I want 2?
Yay! Kind of.
Linda, get me a napkin.
Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong? What? Don't drop the crucifier and smash it all up in the dirt.
My pointer finger is yellow.
That's the business. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Max, meet my associates. Mary Princess.
Tiny little. What kind of okay, it's kind of coming together.
Since when is Village headquartered in a fast food restaurant?
Since your sister exposed our last headquarters. Then stop telling heist.
Now we can't confirm your hideout. I want to answer so bad.
I was wishing that I would drop right in front of you, but that wasn't working. Shoot! You broke this food! Can you order me another one?
This is the
Please. I'm tired of walking. Why don't you go
I
get it?
want you to take Thunder Girl's power.
So I'm choosing nothing.
Her powers? Can I just light Notion on fire or something?
You must take
You let the ocean on
can
fire.
be greater than. Unless
And it doesn't look like that's kind of a damage.
in her shadow.
What's your spoon?
I was about to give it to you, but you weren't.
Don't when the
Yeah.
deed is done.
I think I should add some more of my slime in here. Oh gosh. Ew.
I added some of my slime already in this.
I'm gonna go add it in my other slime so it can.
No, this is not coming together at all.
I'm going to add it in my other slime. Okay.
I'm ready to be a superhero. Too far.
Oh, well, I think it.
He didn't put triangle for his name.
Alex, your very intense girlfriend wants you to call her.
Talia,
Yeah?
now it's kind of
Just chronicle it then.
Ah, that's good.
It's because I added
Meeting with Dr.
Because you added the shaving cream.
Max, please tell me
Yeah, when I added
why
the
you're the world's most
sugar
powerful supervillain. Call it Dark Man.
Max, you got home fast. Did you use them all to take your sister's powers?
okay, so
Not yet.
Oh, hurry! I just blew up another car in the drive-thru. People are starting to ask questions.
I'm almost
Or
done.
take my
I
powers?
gotta keep on adding the
See
shit.
about that.
Okay, so let me just grab.
Find Phoebe and take her powers.
Mother can't also. I mean, she's annoying. It's not like we're mortal enemies.
Come on, Max. Are you okay? Or not?
Give it back.
I know all about your plan, Max. I'm not gonna let you
powers. Give me it back. Give it to me. It's mine. Not letting it go. Give me the book.
Who power is it gonna take?
What'd you do? You took my powers. I'm sorry, Max. I didn't want this to happen, but you brought it on yourself. Here, give me that back. You weren't little enemies before? We are now.
Okay. This is the Sundial's main thing. I did finish mixing the yellow in it. So I'm gonna put that in there. I love when I do this. Let's show you this. There it goes. She's so cute. Oh no, not my favorite jumpsuit.
Are you okay?
No, that stuck to my clothes already.
Wow.
Well, not that much.
I remember when my son got stuck to me with my shirt, and then it just came right off.
This is why I like to use the shaving cream.
Parents, if you have a teenager,
There's not much in there, so I'm good.
people everywhere are getting clear skin. Their acne gone with results that'll blow you away.
This is my favorite jumpsuit.
Get ready for a skin clear.
The one I run.
America's #1 acne brand. It's called Proactive AD. Check out how annoying
I still have some more to mix in there, but right now I'm trying to mix this since it has color in it.
pimples can vanish and become smooth. Imagine what Proactive MD can do for your teen skin.
And I want to
Proactive MD
mix
is
this.
different. It includes an acne body retinoid that you can only get from a doctor. Until now, this retinoid penetrates deep. The skin
Talia,
acne
Yeah?
did Tyler leave?
and it keeps
No, I didn't hear him come downstairs. Well, yes, he did, but he went upstairs. He didn't leave.
I look at that picture, it's just like, it actually works.
sold separately. The new Proactive MD 3D system costs $40,
Oh,
but you can get Proactive MD
I know. Tati's here. And Tyler's here.
$4.99 shipping and handling. You can go to proactive.com or you
Oh.
can call
I didn't know.
1-800-569-6389.
Pictures worth 1,000 words. Proactive MD definitely works.
When you order, we'll also include our all-new charcoal cleansing brush, free with purchase.
Getting that brush for free, I mean, why wouldn't you do that?
Parents, your team can try Proactive MD for 60 days. They'll love the results. We'll send your money back. But keep the brush.
It's close to this color, but it doesn't really. I still have some mixing to do with this one.
New system, new brush, new offer. You can get all this for $19.95 plus $5.99 shipping and handling. You can go to proactive.com or you can call 1-800-569-6389. You must be 18 years or older to call or order online. Got some space? It's time to create. Design Sketcher. The project that can turn you into the smartest artist. Pick a design. Trace the lines. Step by step. With Smart Sketcher. Bring your designs to life with color. With Smart Sketcher. Turn words into pictures to create cars, dinosaurs, castles, and more. Or use the free app to sketch any photo and draw your plans with Smart Sketcher.
Oh my god!
Why are you yelling?
Cause food broke!
You brought my spoon? And yes, by the way, they do eat your fingers. Comment down below if you ever seen that commercial before about Pomsies. If they're hungry, you give them food, they say that. But then, you put your finger by their mouth like this. And it doesn't make any sense. I need some more yellow. Now, here is that. it is.
Wait, can't. Dark Mayhem's shot him into space.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add the coloring in. Since I'm doing a slime video. Comment down below if you like the slime video.
The only person who's gonna pay for this is you.
Because I'm not me.
Not only don't you have your powers, we're taking away
I had to tell left this phone down here. Oh my gosh.
Until Coyote sees it.
Obviously, no prom, no girlfriend, no leaving the house.
Oh, and about your later?
Oh my god, I'll be right back.
I think I put a little bit too much color in this one. Because the slime right here that I made is like really small.
Minivan or limo? Limo! Minivan it is! There's no limo, I just got left out.
Here's your change. I gave myself a giant tip because my service
You're in the Thunder Girl fan club?
Of course! Thundercone is great and awesome. Like you, but the opposite.
I'll text you guys later, I forgot about that. Thanks, Link. Link! What are you doing here?
I'm here to take you prom.
Really? That's funny, because before you said you couldn't. And now you're here.
I know, but I felt bad for bailing on you, so I told the Yearly, I don't care if you fire me. I'm gonna spend this one special night with a very special girl. So what do you say? Would you be my date?
Oh, how can I say no to that? Seriously, how?
Venus! Thundercone? If I expose her, I'll be famous. It's time to go paparazzi. Being a hero mastermind, I'm able to spot crimes that no one else can.
This kind of smells.
Check it out. That man is trying to steal that woman's ring. Billy, he's not stealing anything. But he is. Give her back that ring! What happened? You stopped that purse snatcher. What about the guy trying to steal the ring? You, made them fall in love? Well, wow. I am good.
Okay. So, look. As you can see the different color. Now I'm going to mix it. Sorry for my camera being lean. Gonna move it all over here. Ooh, that's pretty. Chloe, what do you think about me turning my whole entire thing yellow? Wait, are you gonna turn your whole entire thing yellow?
What?
Your whole entire slime yellow?
It might become probably. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I should probably do.
No, I'm not adding my slime to the other slime.
Oh, look at this big bubble, Chloe.
I love you very much.
Hey, Paul.
Get out of here. Colosso? You escaped. And I brought you a present. I'll pass. The orb. But how? I live in your dad's bedroom now. I saw an error escape combination. In fact, that's not a lot of things. Used to get revenge on Vinny. Take her powers. Give her own powers back. I can't. I need some kind of computer chip to override the system. And where are we gonna find that? Look around.
I love you very much.
And I love the computer chip inside you very much.
Now you're weird.
I'm not a wrong day, take a look at that.
Hold on, I'm done making this YouTube video. No, I'm joking. I'm coming over. This is coming. Which means some slow. Some slow. Sister added like a lot of this in hers, which makes hers like a lot lighter than mine. Who are you saying no to? She added like a. Oh, I think I was saying, where was my color? Is that mine? I still got a little bit left over glue.
Put that down, it's dangerous. Only when it's in the wrong hands, Dad. Like mine.
Our powers are gone.
Hey, I can't laser. And I'm not fast.
You know, I'd love to stay and watch you be weak and helpless, but gas sister destroy.
Hey, what did I do?
Not you, Pete.
Oh,
Make sure none of you can follow me.
Rex, if you go down this path, you are no longer our son.
Exactly. I'm a supervillain now.
You finishing YouTube video? Is your camera still on? Is your camera still on? Was it still on?
Mother, take it! Take it! Take it!
She's like, okay, this is Julia. Get ready for the ultimate. I'm gonna shut you down forever.
I put them upstairs. It didn't really hurt. I thought it would be safe. Ow. Look at it. It's called. This is how it It looks so blue on the screen, but it's green here. Like, trust me, if this was still teal, it would look so much darker.
Wait, hold on. Mine's darker. Where's this light? I don't know why. I don't know how.
Because I didn't add in a lot of yellow. The first batch you put a lot of yellow in yours, I didn't. And I was mixed with the green. Doorables! Doorables!
It's Juicy Drop Gum. Super sour, deliciously sweet. Just squeeze the sour gel onto the drop zone to extend the flavor. Pretty good, right? Juicy Drop Gum. Great tasting flavor you can extend with gel.
He's heating up on Shop Kitchen this week as our chefs use this special ingredient.
MJ.
Apple Blossom from the Shopkins collection. Now available in new mini packs, each sold separately. Applebee's Beginner Studio. It's easy. Make your design. Spray with water. Peel it after 10 minutes and quickly grate it again. Applebee's Beginner Studio. Those are from 20 minutes.
That's so cool. Okay, you know those commercials where they show the caramel? Oh my gosh, you almost got that stuck to my clothes. They were everywhere.
What is it about dogs that brings us so much joy?
Dogs in their hearts to us.
Like I felt that touch my shirt. Well,
from Harriet Taylor. Come from Harriet Taylor.
That's Max.
Marion Taylor?
Oh.
Each sold separately. Introducing Matchums Gummies. The gummies you mix and match to make new flavor combos. Match cherry and orange for fruit punch. Match pear and strawberry for red apple. With up to 8 fruity flavors and 28 exciting combos, it's endless flavor fun. Matchums Gummies. Mix them, match them, love them. Hey guys, it's Brownie. And you guys have been helping and leading others to make the biggest Halo movement yet. And this month we're shouting out a few noteworthy kids who are making a difference.
This is like kind of so strict. This is so stressful. And kind of.
Look at mine. It's been running forever.
Volleyball marathon.
Look how thin it is now. It was so thick before. Hey. Maybe I should try this. It's soothing. I'm start doing it like this.
It's summer on T-Neck.
I gave him this assignment yesterday. I'd do the job myself if I knew where Thunder Girl lived.
Boss, check out the news. If you're just joining us, local woman Olympia Wong has proof that Thunder Girl lives right here in Hinsville.
It's true that Thunderbird is Phoebe Thunderman, the whole family of superheroes. They live at 828 Oakdale Lane. Come on, make it better.
There you have it, folks. Superhero right in our own hometown.
Guys, I'm over here.
Well, guys.